Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today is another mystery box unboxing, this time by the brand Pretties For Your Face. I've ordered from this brand before. I'll actually link it if you're interested in a look I did. I think it was the last time I did an order. I don't think it was a mystery bag. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing some mystery items, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe and I would love to have you again on the channel. All right, let's get into the video. So, why am I filming another mystery box so soon after I just did my Copaesthetics one? You might ask yourself. Couple reasons, okay? Number one, I know some of you commented on that video that you're interested in seeing like a swatch party, try on, custom palette with singles, that sort of thing. So I wanted to open this other mystery bag I had first before that video so that I can use any of the items I get in this mystery bag in that future video. Number two, I saw this morning on Instagram that the brand Pretties For Your Face actually posted, and they're having a sale specifically on their mystery bags. So if you are interested, once you see this video and you are like, ooh, yeah, that looks pretty great, prettiesforyourface.com, they're having 40% off all mystery boxes. Make sure you use code MYSTERY at checkout to get that. And you can choose all eyeshadow or an all highlighter mystery box. Now, I believe this is the brand that said they go back and look at all your past orders and you should not get anything in your mystery box that you have ever ordered from the brand, which, like, that's a lot of extra legwork. Pretty cool of them, gotta say. That sale is going until this Friday, which is gonna be July 15th. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I don't think I got an all eyeshadow mystery bag with this one the way I did with Copaesthetics. I'm not 100% sure, but the reason I say that is because, listen, I don't know what that is, but I'm very curious to find out. So let's go ahead and get into it. On my eyes today, and all my makeup actually will be in the description box if you're interested, but these are some of the singles, not all of them, but most of these, like circle ones, some are Copaesthetic, but a lot of them are Pretties For Your Face. And I used all Pretties For Your Face shadows for this eye look today. So I'll leave the shades listed in the description if you are just interested in buying like single shades. You don't necessarily want a mystery bag per se, you want something specific. They have sales quite frequently though, so I would recommend following them on Instagram so you can get a really nice deal on the singles. So just like last time, I've got here in my possession from Baby Bat Beauty, my huge Z palette here. Here's my little 5 that I kept from Copaesthetic Cosmetics in that previous video. Plenty of space that I'll pop any singles or magnetic highlighters, anything like that we get in here. And by the way, I forgot to mention, you guys, these boxes are normally $25. They've got a highlighter mystery box, an eyeshadow mystery box, a bath and body mystery box if you're not into makeup but you are interested in like scrubs, soaps, lotions, that kind of thing, and a mixed mystery box. The mixed one is $30, everything else is $25, and that is not counting the 40% off code and not counting shipping. So, I know, am I talking enough, right? You're like, open it, we get it already. Ooh, okay, so unlike Copaesthetic, which they just had it all bundled in like bubble wrap, which is totally fine. I'll leave my mystery box playlist up in the corner if you're interested in seeing any of them. This is actually in a box and it says mystery box. I don't know if you can read it. There's a question mark and it says mystery box on it. And we have a little Pretties For Your Face sunny day sticker. Do you guys like when brands do like the stickers and the cardstock and stuff like that? Like, do you actually keep them? Or are you like, okay, whatever, I could do with or without? Let me know in the comments. I've been using some of mine to kind of decorate. I'll link my cleaning my beauty room video if you're interested. But I have these little containers that I've been organizing things in, and I've been putting some of the stickers just to decorate. Here's a melt one on these, because I don't know what else to do with them. What do you guys do with them? Okay, let's try to rip her open here. It was pretty easy to rip through that sticker and see what we got. Now I don't remember if it was 40% off, but I know I got this on sale as well, so I didn't pay the full $25. All right, and so inside here, looks like we have a lot of tissue paper, and then the eyeshadows are in the bubble wrap, just like Copaesthetic. They've just got the extra box in there. So probably the sound I heard was this inside the box, kind of shifting around a little bit, that sound that I was referring to earlier. Okay, it's taped good, which I appreciate because that means probably not going to arrive broken, but gotta eat your Wheaties if you want to get into this, people. All right, so I've got 7 different shadows here, it looks like. Now, the one thing I will say that I do not like from this brand, and these are all eyeshadows, by the way, so maybe I did click the eyeshadow only button. It's been so long I can't remember. It was like Memorial Day weekend. But I don't care for the fact that they come in these little cardboard things just because they are stapled shut, and it's hard to get these staples open sometimes and be really like ginger careful about it to not break the shadows, because they are pretty delicate shadows in my opinion. Like, it's pretty easy, like they're loosely pressed, which means they're very pigmented, but they can make a mess if you're not careful. So looking at these all look like shades that I would be into. Like, I think I'm gonna keep all of these, and a couple of them look even kind of shifty. Ooh, exciting, right? So let's get into it. I think what I'm gonna do is try to like go off camera real quick and open all of these cardboard situations first and put them in my Z palette. And I'll have them out of the plastic too to show you one by one, because I know the camera, it picks up on like that glare of the plastic and you can't see the shade anyway if I do it that way. Again, we've got 7 shadows. It looks like only one of them is actually matte. The rest of them are either some sort of shimmer or like metallic or like more textured, flaky, pressed formula situation. So there's some different kinds of shimmers and metallics formula wise here, but only one true matte. So we will start with the matte, and this one is a matte yellow. In fact, looking at it, let's see if I can do a little swatch here. I don't even know if I can call this like a true matte. It almost might be a little bit more of a satin finish, but this one is called Tug of War, and I believe, okay, so this brand does a lot of collections that are like pop culture themed. I believe, looking at the font of this on the back, the Tug of War, that this might be from their Squid Games inspired collection. So here's yellow for Tug of War. And again, if you want to see any of these specifically swatched out, like I said, I'm just unboxing and seeing what I have now, and then I will do a swatch party, a look, you know, curated with my singles, that sort of thing, in a future upcoming video very, very soon. So stay tuned, because Wesley and I know we're like about to hit 400 on the channel, and he said he really wants to do for our next video together some D&D inspired makeup, because we're about to play a new campaign and do something, I don't know, that would be really fun. I've got a yellow blush I've been dying to use. If you've been here a while, I keep talking about it but haven't done it yet, so I'm super excited about that. I hope you are too. Okay, next up, I'll go with this lightish shade here. This is called Falcor, and it looks white if you just look at it, but it looks like it might have like a little bit of an iridescent purple or blue reflect in it. Ooh, this will be a wonderful inner corner shade, I feel. Possibly even a good face highlight. I like shades like that to use on the face as well as the eyes, the inner corner, things like that. Ooh, also if you have like a dark lip, you can like pat a little bit of the pigment over the lip. It looks so good. Next up, we have Moonlight Magic, and this one looks like it's a little purpley, a little silvery. Oh, I love an icy color like this. This would have been perfect when I had my hair lavender, and maybe I'll go back to the lavender someday. I don't know, guys, but I just wanted to switch it up for a while. But there it is. You can see like maybe a little bit like the silver to purple kind of. I wouldn't even say it's a flip like a duochrome. It's just very uniformly mixed in those two colors together. Okay, the next two are more like flaky textured looking. This one is called Asteroid and appears to be pinky and purpley in a very light pink, almost like beige-ish base. It's very difficult to describe in my opinion, but it looks very nice. Hopefully, I'm trying to shift it around so you guys can see and capture all the different angles of what it really looks like. But I know sometimes these lights just really make it difficult to see things true to color. The other more flaky looking one is called Oberon, Not really sure what that means, but this looks very much like an old gold, like a gold that might have a little bit of a greeny, darker tone to it when you use it. I do really like to use this color with black, like a smoky halo eye. How dreamy. Oh, for a date night, I love it. I know Wesley and I we've been dating for over 5 years. We've been engaged for less than a year, but I still, like, I don't care how long we're together. When we go out on a date or somewhere, like, I want to turn it on. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not the sweatpants queen anymore, you know? We're like, all right, turn it on, like, go full all out. Act like it's your first date and you like have to be a 10 out of 10. I love that process. I love having that mindset. I feel like it makes the night a lot more fun too when you go out, because then it's like almost like, okay, oh yeah, I forgot that you're like good at makeup and actually can put in an effort. Like, I don't mean that in a negative way. Like, it's not like we're not fine with each other as we are in sweatpants and, you know, cut off shorts. But I guess I just mean like, it's nice to sometimes like spice it up to be like, no, let's go out and actually like put in the effort you would if you were going on a first date. You know what I mean? And all of a sudden you're like, dang, yeah, you do look good. Like, that is why we've been together for so long, because like we do have that ability to, you know, look better than we normally do. Not that we look bad normally, but you know, elevate it a little bit. Sorry, side tangent. I'm feeling ranty today. All right, 2 more. One looks like this beautiful, like bluey gray, dark green shifting shade, and it's called Rock Biter Metallic. Again, I will try to shift it around to give you all the different shifts, but again, I'm seeing like blue, a deep olive green, kind of a gray. It's so weird because sometimes things look so different to my naked eye in person, and then when I'm editing the video, I can see how it looked up, like how it showed on camera, and I'm like, oh, it's totally different. You would say, well, can't you just, you know, look while you're filming to see? Here's the thing, guys. I don't have a monitor to look at. Like, I have on my video camera, like the little thing you would look through the screen to turn back around, but it's like big enough to see that I'm in frame. That's about it. Sometimes I can't even see if I'm in focus because it's so small, so far away from me. So Wesley keeps saying I need a desk in here. At some point I'll address it. I just got in all of the shelving for this room, so that's gonna happen first for organizational purposes, but once I get a desk, I wanna see if I can get like a little TV or a monitor or something to plug into my camera so that I can like see things better, like how it's recording for you guys, and not, you know, only see it once I get to the editing portion and it's too late. So stay tuned for that. I saved the last one, like the one I think is my favorite, for last. So this one is called Heatwave, and it's so shifty. So it looks almost like a burgundy, deep purpley, but then it also shifts and looks a little, I want to say maybe bluey, pinky. It's hard to say. So here it is straight on, and then as I tilt it, you'll probably be able to see the different shifts in it. I don't know that I would call any of these multi-chromes. I know the brand does carry multi-chromes, but there are definitely some shifty flipped duochromes at minimum in here, which I have no problem with duochromes. I feel like so many people are like, yawn duochromes, like they're over it and they're like, multi-chromes are nothing. I don't feel that way. Sometimes I like a cute little duochrome flip. Sometimes I just like a really simple look with like none of that going on. I recently picked up the Rose Quartz palette from Huda Beauty because they were doing, I think it was 40% off sale on the palette, and I've been wanting it, but they're expensive, so I picked it up for 40% off, wore it yesterday for the first time, and it was beautiful, and it was so neutral and mostly mattes, and there was no like sparkle shimmer, which I normally love, but I love that too. So, you know, I don't know where that tangent and rant was going either, but there it is for you. Here we have it, guys, in the pan. Those are the 7 new ones I just added and just showed you. Again, if you were wondering, these are highlighters from Bitter Lace Beauty that I've got in here. And then these square pans are from Touch of Glam Beauty. They're the Color Me Multi-Metallic Pastel Mega Chrome Collection up there. And then these were from my Copacetic, my latest mystery bag. So, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!